Boy, oh boy, can I make a mess of my pool table real quick. So, we've got the rigger all put back together. I ended up having to go back with the Kraken ESC. It just fits inside the hole so much better than either of the other two. I think where I placed my motor, I lowered it down more lower than stock. And it prevents me from sliding the other ESC up underneath it to the point that I need it. I had to change out my exit because I changed the cooling line on it. I switched up to 5.5 mil button connectors, and we're gonna run it on two 4S packs. So we're gonna run one 4S pack outside, and we've also got this wicked little turn fin here. So we're gonna try the turn fin and see how that does. We'll run one pack, bring it inside, and we'll probably change the prop on it, let it cool down for a bit, and then this is a 38 mil, so we'll run that first, check the speed, and then when we take it back out, we'll put a 40 millimeter on it that's identical to this, and then we'll run it on that and check that speed. So unfortunately, my lid, the cover, doesn't fit this, so I have to make one. And I don't have the material with me now to make it, so what we're going to use just for testing purposes is duct tape. I'm going to put a piece of duct tape across here, and that'll seal it, and that's kind of what I got. But I haven't made any running content from y'all basically since I've had COVID, and I don't know, it just took a lot out of me, and even today, it's like 92 degrees outside. So I had plans of trying to do yard work today, so I'm gonna go run the boat in the pond since we had so much rain, and have a little fun, let the sun get a little bit lower in the sky before I take care of my yard work, and hopefully I'll have a video up for y'all tonight. Alright, we are out here. I've got the SSS motor in it. This is a 2960 4122 kV. Oh, she's a missile. She's a missile. Need to adjust the steering trim. Whoa! Golly, that was fast. Damn! Let's see, can I get it out of there? Ooh-wee, that was tight. That was tight. Alright, I need to focus a little bit more on driving. Oh my God, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, I really need to bring it and make sure I got cooling. Oh yeah, I got good cooling. That's great. I can see it. This thing is a missile. Oh my God, it did a wheelie. Oh crap, I might lose it. God, I hope I don't lose it. Hopefully that duct tape stays. That sucks. I gotta get my canoe. Alright, thank God for a kayak and quality duct tape. This thing is completely bone dry. No water in it whatsoever. So let's go ahead and give it another run. Alright, kinda out of breath with as hard as I was running there. This new motor runs like an absolute banshee. It literally pops a wheelie. Ooh. I think it runs so good now I need to focus on turn fin adjustment, because I believe that's what's getting me here. I need to look at it. Yeah, it's lifting that front right sponson. Literally doing about 1/3 throttle. Okay. I think I might have had LVC right there. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. Don't want nothing crazy to go on with a brand new setup. We'll just check temps. It is hot as Hades out here today. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and just check the motor temp, because we definitely don't want to cook a brand new one. Oh, that's so good. I was so afraid I was going to lose my GPS. All right, we'll stare at the GPS after we get temps. Nice. 121 degrees on the motor. Let's check the ESC. Not bad. 135, 134. To me, that's perfect. Like those are perfect temperatures. Let's see. Yeah, I got 119 is the hottest I got on that motor. Let's see. 69 again. Holy crap. I was trying to beat 69 miles an hour. But you know the irony of that is, last time I got 69 on 4S, it was with a 40 millimeter prop, not with a 38 millimeter prop. So, I believe we are going to go faster with this setup. Let's make, yep, okay, the battery's good. Battery's not swole. 111 degrees on the battery. Cool. All right, so what we'll do is I'm going to go inside and we'll pull this battery out. I'm going to do an adjustment on the turn fin. I got to think about it because right now it's picking it up. So I think I need to tilt the blade like up in the back. I believe that's theoretically correct, but I'll have to think about it and try to figure it out. Right now it's like when it goes, it's picking that up like that. So maybe I also need to do a little strut adjustment and make sure my rear strut is dead nuts neutral, because maybe it's got a little upward angle on it. I don't know, kind of hard to tell, but yeah, very, very pleased with the temperatures we just got there. Cool. All right, we're going to take it inside, do some changing around, change the prop, change the turn fin angle, and change the battery. All right, looks like I cut it off at 3.88. One thing I like about the high voltage packs, kind of over, like, so these are your HP packs, right? So these are just regular 4.2 volt. These are 4.35. What I've noticed on these is I'll always get one cell that's like a half a volt lower than the others. And on these, I actually get really even discharge all the way across on the 3 cell and the 4 cell. And both 3S and 4S on those, they differentiate a lot, but pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and make some changes. All right, so I've got a 4016 on there on the back. I have raised my back of the turn fin up. So basically it was all the way down. I could go all the way up, but I went basically in the middle, so I split the difference. Got a brand new battery in it, and we're gonna go ahead and set the GPS and reset it to 0. You know, one thing I noticed covering this thing with duct tape, it kind of gives me an idea of how I need to build my new top hatch for this thing. I really need to just go ahead and make a bubble style hatch. I may do that out of carbon fiber if I'm able. All right, let's go back outside and run it again. All right, I'm gonna try to give a different vantage point, different perspective this go around. Whoa! No! Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Make sure. Good God. Okay. So, my adjustment for the turn fin did not work. It went kind of the opposite, which is crazy. And I got a little slippage on my rudder, it looks like. Okay, I gotta go ahead and we're gonna reposition the turn pin back where it was, because that was a little nuts. What I noticed when I was inside earlier, I had some play in my rudder, like it would move back and forth. I think the cheap little Pro Boat servo that I had in here, I don't know if it's a micro or a mini or something in between. I know it's some weird funky size. I think the gears inside of the plastic servo are starting to strip. So I think I'm gonna have to try to get that thing out of there and put in a more quality servo. But let's go ahead, throw it back on the pond, see what we get. Yeah, it messes the steering trim all up. Still hopping like crazy. Yep, steering servos damn near stuck. It's all I can do to try to correct it. Okay, let's just go over here and do this. Yeah, all it wants to do is go one direction. All right, let's see. I'm gonna neutralize my trim out. Yep, it's going crazy. Damn it! Why's it gotta do me like that? Yep, okay. Yep, servo strip. Damn, boys, that sucks. Yep, spins one way, but not the other. We'll get another, at least a little bit of a run out of it. It'll still turn one direction. Oh no! I was trying to drain the battery juice. That's nuts. All right, had to do another kayak retrieval. See what kind of speeds we got. 64, okay. I really wasn't able to really open it up. All right, I know we're probably not gonna have really high temps either. Yeah, 113 and 107, so just didn't run it long enough. All right, I really want to open this up and see what the servo looks like. Because look, when I went and picked it up after that last crash, it just completely broke. This was the original servo that was out of that recoil. That little red 17 recoil. Oh, snap, look at that. Broke the arm slap off of that joker. Wow, okay, let's see here. But you know what was crazy was this thing was going crazy. It was like, it was going. Okay. All right, so what I did, I just confirmed. I had to turn the camera off for a quick second. I took my hand, I held on to that shaft like that, and I hit the remote and tried to turn it, and the motor inside just turning. So that top gear in that servo's dead. That sucks. That servo is going to be a pain in the neck to get out of there. It won't be so bad. I guess I could just cut it off at the bottom and slide it out, but I know I don't have one of these. I have some really small, like mini servos that were from an old helicopter, but they're actually too small for that. So, oh well, looks like we're going to have to wait to get a speed run for this thing. I have to get me a servo. If you have any recommendations on servo types that you know work really well for a rigger, drop it in the comment section below, like the brand and the specific like size. Like this says it's an EX10005. Let me know what you're running in yours if you get longevity out of it, to where I can just buy one that I know won't break. So thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one. Peace.